Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your phone is already connected to the target network because you need local access to query the router. Open Wi-Fi settings, tap the network, and note the router IP or gateway shown. This is how you reach the admin panel. Next, launch your mobile browser or the router maker's app. If you have admin credentials, keep them handy. Otherwise, prepare to try default usernames and passwords printed on the device or in its quick guide. Once done, type the router IP into your mobile browser's address bar and load the admin page. Mobile browsers will prompt for basic auth if needed. Log in with the admin account. If login fails, try the default user/admin combos printed on the router label. After access, make your way to wireless, WLAN, or Wi-Fi settings, then open security or encryption. There you can view the WPA2/WPA3 pre-shared key. Copy it carefully and consider toggling visibility to confirm each character. Finish by saving any changes and testing the password on another device to confirm it works. You want to avoid disconnecting critical equipment. If you cannot log in because credentials are unknown, a factory reset will restore defaults. Hold the reset button for 10 to 30 seconds, but know this erases custom settings. For common hiccups, clear your mobile browser cache, try a different browser or the manufacturer's app, and make sure you are on the router's network, not a neighbor's.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.